another thing related to nuclear chemistry is transmutation. So we'll define what that is. And the big thing for you is to be able to tell if it is a natural transmutation or a artificial one. So, ancient scientists that we called alchemists thought that there would be a way for us to take cheap metals like carbon or lead and turn them into expensive metals such as gold or silver. So, they never actually were able to do that, but they did inadvertently stumble upon nuclear chemistry, because lots of nuclear chemistry actually is transmutation. Transmutation is changing one element into a different element. Alright, so we've seen this, with the alpha decay and with the beta emission and things like that. We have seen, uranium turn into thorium. Or iodine turn into xenon. Alright, so what number has to change for a transmutation to occur? Right? What particle do we need to lose or gain? I am hoping you said the proton. Alright? Because it's your number of protons that decides what element you are. So if your nuclear decay involves changing of proton numbers, you are performing a transmutation. Alright, so seeing this slide again, this comes in handy. These are all transmutations. Alright, because you can see every single one of these becomes new elements, and they all have changes in proton number. Alright, so giving off an alpha particle, giving off a beta particle, giving off a positron, those will all cause a transmutation. So, for example, which of the following would not cause a transmutation? Or which of these would not change our atomic number? Hopefully you chose D. Yeah, a neutron will change your mass number, but not your atomic number. And mass number changes are not transmutations. It's atomic number changes that are. So artificial transmutations are actually this is what alchemists were trying to do, and scientists in nuclear chemistry have done. All right, they can force an element to become something else, and we actually use that to create new elements. All right. So, using particle accelerators, scientists have, flown neutrons or something into a element and forced it to increase its number of protons and create something new. All right? So, all of these, we call them the transuranium elements, because they are all, once you hit the atomic number uranium, which is 92, everything above that is actually man-made. All right? Man-made through transmutation. All right? So all these ones that are in blue, these are artificial transmutations. So questions you might see will look something like this. Which radioisotope is an artificial transmutation? All right? So what you're looking for, if it's artificial, you're looking for something with an atomic number greater than uranium, or any of these blue ones. So you might want to jot this down, snip that somewhere. All right, but which of these elements do you find in that blue group? All right, calcium's here. Uranium's the last natural transmutation. ES is in our blue category, so that's probably right, but I'm going to find lead just to make sure. Yep. CES.